Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your SurveySparrow account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you add an admin or a team member into your SurveySparrow account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to add an admin or a team member into your SurveySparrow anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you probably work with a lot of different VAs or assistants, and maybe you want them to go ahead and manage your SurveySparrow. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your SurveySparrow dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my SurveySparrow, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to add an admin or a team member, you're going to click on this gear icon here on the top right. Okay, so once you do that, you're going to see this drop-down menu here on the left, and you want to scroll down until you see this button here called users. Okay, so once you do that, you're going to see all of the users and admins you have in your SurveySparrow account. And to add another admin, you're going to click on this turquoise button, add user. Okay, so here is where you can go ahead and add an admin. So you're going to go ahead and just enter in their name right here, and then you're going to go ahead and enter in their email address, and then you want to go ahead and choose their role. So you can make them an admin right here, or you can choose from any of these other. If you need help defining those, go back and watch my other video that describes each one of those in detail. And then lastly, you can go ahead and choose their language. If you leave it at account default, then it's going to be based off of whatever your account is. Next, you want to go ahead and click on the invite button. So make sure that you use their correct email, because they will need to accept the invitation in order to be added as an admin. So I'm going to go ahead and do this off screen. Okay, I entered in the required information. I'm going to click on invite. Okay, a quick second later, the page refreshes. Now you can see that person has been added as an admin into my SurveySparrow. However, they don't have access yet until they accept the invitation in their email. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to add an admin or a team member into your SurveySparrow, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.